If you are wondering what emergency roof repair in Rochester, New York costs, read this article. You will learn the benefits of hiring a roof repair company and the costs involved. You will also discover the benefits of hiring a roof repair company in Amherst, New York. There are many reasons to hire a roof repair company, but we'll cover just a few of them. Read on to learn more. We hope you'll find this information useful. Price of emergency roof repair. When you need emergency roof repair in Rochester, New York, call Tony the Roofer. He's been a Rochester roofer for over 2 decades, and his company treats every project as if it were a mechanical component. He documents every step and communicates with you throughout the process. He also takes care of the debris and regularly performs a comprehensive inspection of your roof to keep it in the best condition possible. Among the services that he provides are emergency roof repair in Rochester, New York, and periodic inspection and maintenance. His team also works with EPDM rubber roofing systems, which are common on commercial roofs in Rochester. Regular maintenance is essential to keep the roof in good condition and avoid needless repair bills. A professional Rochester roof repair company can help you get back on track and avoid costly replacements down the line. To learn more about the services he offers, contact him today. Since storms can cause significant damage to a home, it is important to familiarize yourself with the effects of hurricanes. Even the safest home can be damaged. Thankfully, a company like Stellar Roofing is available 24/7 to provide emergency roof repair in Rochester, New York. Their team of experts will diagnose the damage and advise you on what to do next. And they will get to work quickly and efficiently. Benefits of hiring a roof repair company in Amherst, New York. You can benefit from a number of services offered by a roof repair company in Amherst, New York, as well as other roofing concerns. One such company is Geiger Brothers Construction. This family-owned business provides complete roofing services, including installation and repair, and is equipped to handle a variety of tasks. Among the services offered by this company are roof leak repairs, attic quilt installation, and window replacement. In addition to offering complete roofing solutions, they also provide other services, including siding installation, gutter systems, and chimney flashing. Amherst Roofing Services provides both residential and commercial clients with high-quality roofing services. Their certified technicians offer a range of services, including repair and replacement of damaged roofs. They also provide preventive maintenance services and respond to emergencies, including tree falling on roofs. You can expect expert technicians who will be able to complete your roofing project efficiently and cost-effectively. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.